During this period of lockdown, your mother must be preparing some special food items for you at home, like cake, pakoras, bread, and many more things. But you ever thought that why these food items are so spongy and soft? What is the secret ingredient your mother using in this? That secret ingredient is baking soda. So in this video we are going to learn about baking soda. Baking soda is also known as sodium bicarbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate. Now let's first understand how the baking soda is prepared. The formula of baking soda is what? If you can see on the screen, the formula is NaHCO3. So by remembering this formula, you can recall the ingredients, or we can say the substances which is used in making of baking soda. So Na means maybe the NaCl is used, right? From the CO3 you can remember that carbon dioxide must be used, and beside this the water, remaining oxygen and the hydrogen, and one more substance which is used in making baking soda, that is ammonia, NH3. So by combination of these, by reaction of all these, NaCl, H2O, carbon dioxide and ammonia, sodium bicarbonate is prepared, and along this ammonium chloride is prepared. Sodium bicarbonate is actually a mild non-corrosive base, and when we add into any food item on the heating, what it produces, let's see. Sodium bicarbonate, when it is heated, it produces sodium carbonate plus water plus carbon dioxide. So one thing keep in mind here, the carbon dioxide which is produced during the heating of sodium hydrogen carbonate, it makes the food item fluffy. The bread and cake seems very spongy and soft because on the heating of baking soda, carbon dioxide get trapped inside this food item, and it makes the small holes that you can see here where the carbon dioxide is get trapped. So that's why these food items become soft and spongy. Now let's understand the different uses of sodium hydrogen carbonate. First of all, the sodium hydrogen carbonate is used in making baking powder. And baking powder is actually the mixture of baking soda and any mild edible acid like tartaric acid. And when baking powder is heated or mixed with water, it gives the following reaction. When sodium bicarbonate reacts with any acid, so you know acid produces H positive ions, right? So it get added, and when we heat the baking powder, it will produces carbon dioxide, water and sodium salt of that acid. So this carbon dioxide which is produced during this reaction will make the bread and cake rise and make them soft and spongy. As I told you, the carbon dioxide get trapped inside the food item and it makes them fluffy and spongy. So what is the difference between baking powder and baking soda? Baking powder is made up of baking soda and the tartaric acid, any acid. So the difference is only the presence of acid in baking powder. During acidity, we take antacids, right? So sodium hydrogen carbonate is also an ingredient in antacid. As I told you, sodium hydrogen carbonate is alkaline, means basic in nature, so it neutralizes the excess of acid which is produced in stomach during acidity and provide us relief. So when we intake the antacid in which sodium bicarbonate is present, it reacts with the HCl which is produced in our stomach and then neutralizes the HCl to produce NaCl plus water plus carbon dioxide. It is also used in soda acid fire extinguisher, यानी ये आग बुझाने के भी काम आता है. Inside the cylinder, sulfuric acid and sodium bicarbonate is present. So when they react with each other, as you know, acid and bases when react with each other, they neutralizes each other's effect and then they will produce the carbon dioxide. And carbon dioxide is a gas which do not allow burning. Baking soda is also used as milk preservatives. As you know, milk becomes it is slightly acidic and it produces lactic acid and can become sour during in summers mainly, right? So to neutralize this acidic effect of milk, we add some baking soda which is alkaline in nature, and in this way we can prevent the milk to from becoming sour. So in this video we had learned how baking soda is prepared, how presence of baking soda makes the food soft and spongy, and plus different uses of baking soda.